This is the simplified uno, dos, tres tequilas. So we can show the group how we're gonna call it out. The phrase Raymond, the Royce, and Polymatic. It's A, B. This is 32 plus 36. Let's do the A. Side together, side, cha, cha. Quarter. Side together, cha, cha, cha. That's set 1 of A. Samba or botafogo. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Rock recover with a half sailor. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Third set, we walk. 1, 2, shuffle forward. 5, olay. That would be, I'm going to say mambo lay, right? 5 and 6, 7, 8. Third set. Let's do the 24 count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Last of the A, half turning shuffle. 1 and 2, rock. 3, 4, shimmy, shimmy. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's your A. We're going to repeat A, same set. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Samba or botafogo. Rock with a half turn sailor. Walk, shuffle, mambo lay. 7 and 8. Half turn shuffle. 1 and 2. Rock, recover, shimmy, 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 shimmy. This is the B now. Where you press your B. Out, slap. 4. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Still facing there. Next is 1 and 2 coaster step facing the double clock wall. Here comes simple mambo. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. B again. 1. No, sorry. 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So meaning you're going to use your left. Out. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and kick. And 1, 2, 3. That takes care of 36 B. And then start again. A. You know what we just did. A, B,